This dance is called Evergreen, 40 count, 2 walks. There's a tag at wall 5 after 16 count. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Side rock cross, quarter, quarter cross. Side rock cross, quarter, quarter cross. Section 1 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. Side rock cross, side behind, quarter straight, cross back, back, cross back, back. So, section 2 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. Cross side behind, quarter recover, quarter, rock recover back, back recover forward. Section 3 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4. Rock recover quarter, step half turn and turn half. Back, back, coaster cross. Section 4 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section. Straight right, left, right and touch. Do a whip. Side behind, side cross, side step. Transfer your weight to the left and your right will start the dance again. Let me show you section 4 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Alternatively, the whip you can do full turn. Do 2 full turn. So for my video, I'm showing you a whip instead of 2 full turn. Let me show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So now show you the tag. The tag is at wall 5 after 16 count. Wall 5 facing 12 o'clock. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 2 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. At this point, you do a 3/4 turn. Cross and turn 3/4, and you start the dance again. 1 and